Dear students and learners, a warm welcome to all of you to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now. So today's video lecture is about poetic appreciation of the poem 2.2 Indian Weavers written by Sarojini Naidu. So this question will come in your board examination on question number 3B, and the question will be like, write the appreciation of the given poem with the help of the following points. Points will be like, first point is about the poem or poet and significance of the title. Point number 2 is theme or central idea of the poem. Point number 3 is poetic style, language and poetic devices used. Means you need to write figures of speech here. Fourth point is special features. Fifth point is inspirational messages, values, morals reflected in the poem. And last point is your opinion and critical evaluation about the poem. This question will come on question number 3B and it will be there for 4 marks. In the last video lecture, I gave you some key points on the poem Indian Weavers by Sarojini Naidu. So these are some points, and today I am going to tell you the poetic appreciation of this poem. So let's see the poetic appreciation. In your examination, remember you will not get the title of the poem. There will be no title of the poem. You must read the poem and find out which poem is it. So when it comes to the poem 2.2 Indian Weavers, you can easily find out that this is Indian Weaver because you will have words like weavers. In each stanza, you will see the word weavers. So now let's see the appreciation of the poem. So in the first paragraph, you must tell the poem, its poet, and the title of the poem, or what is the significance of the title. In the first paragraph, I wrote the poem Indian Weavers is written by Sarojini Naidu. It tells the work of India's famous handloom craftsmen. The 3 stanzas mark the 3 stages of life. In the second paragraph, you must tell the theme of the poem. So the theme of the poem is cycle of life. The weavers use colors associated with birth, marriage, and death by weaving clothes for a newborn, a queen bride, and a dead man. In the third paragraph, you must tell poetic devices. The poem is a metaphor for the cycle of life. New life, the word used in the poem is dawn for new life, dusk for marriage, and night for death. There is simile, alliteration, imagery, and inversion used here. These are the figures of speech. The poem is dedicated to the talented weavers and the world famous fabric of India. In the last paragraph, I wrote, this poem is a beautiful way of the poet to salute the weavers of India. I find that, so this is your personal opinion. You must mention your personal opinion at the end of your poetic appreciation. I find that the weavers are not only skillful but also talented. The poet brings out their talent as well as their hardworking nature. Now let's see key points to remember for poetic appreciation. My advice for you is, if you have command on English language, you must keep in mind these key points. And if you don't have command on English language, you just need to mug this up. You have to learn this appreciation by heart and present it in your examination. So you can take a screenshot of it. And those who have command on English, They can easily understand and remember these key points. Let's see about the poem, poet and title. The first point of your question. Indian Weavers, short and meaningful poem written by Indian poetess Sarojini Naidu. Now there are two main themes: life of weavers and three stages of human life. Poetic style is it consists of three stanzas colorfully presented, depiction of human life and human actions. Language and poetic devices: use of artistic language easily understood, use of alliteration, metaphor, imagery, inversion, and the rhyming scheme is AABB. Special features are the journey of human life with three stages. Effective use of images and symbols reveals hard life of weavers. Then message, values, morals. So we must keep working. Life is momentary. Live happily. Death is the final truth of human life. So this is the message. And in your own opinion, you can write. I think the use of birds and colors really made the poem rather beautiful. The poetess has taken observation of every aspect of human life. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now. I'm your digital teacher Hina Kausar, and all the very best for your board examination. Thank you so much.